Your drivers can really drain dollars from your fleet budget. Did you know that an increase in speed from 55 to 75 miles per hour causes a 39% increase in fuel consumption? Poor driver behavior really adds up. For example, just 5 idling trucks create 4.5 gallons of wasted fuel a day. That comes out to be approximately $4,504.76 a year, taken right out of your fleet budget. Here's an example scenario of how driver behavior negatively affects a fleet organization. Meet Chad. Chad is a truck driver, and he's a real treat. He's chronically late, can really talk your ear off, and drives like he's auditioning for a Fast and Furious movie. One morning, Chad speeds to work. He's running late, as usual. Instead of starting his next job right away, Chad notices his buddy and decides to stop and chat. All the while, his truck is idling. Remember, an idle truck is a real drain on your budget. Finally, Chad realizes that he's running late for his next task, and his coworker, Bob, is waiting for him at the site. Defying all traffic laws, and possibly some laws of physics too, Chad speeds to the site. He weaves in and out of traffic and slams his brakes multiple times. Meanwhile, back in the office, the fleet manager is fielding calls left and right from customers complaining about late service. "Where is Chad?" he grumbles to himself. Chad's poor driver behavior generates a lot of complaints, but not a lot of revenue. At the site, Bob is waiting impatiently for Chad to arrive. It's hot outside, so Bob heads into his vehicle to enjoy the air conditioning and listen to some tunes. After he's done work, Chad decides to take his truck for a joyride to go visit friends 40 kilometers away from work. This unauthorized use of the truck goes unnoticed. Between Chad's overall poor driver behaviors, unauthorized use of his truck, some very unhappy customers, and Bob's idling, this fleet lost a lot of money in just one day. So how do you fix driver behavior problems? When you install mobile computing devices in your fleet vehicles. Driver behavior monitoring technology lets you analyze undesirable driver behaviors, like speeding, swerving, and hard braking, as well as track idling costs to eliminate wasteful driving habits. Unauthorized vehicle use is prevented since the device is directly connected to the vehicle's engine to monitor the truck's every move. When a speeding or idling event occurs in the field, the device sends the information over to your network, alerting your fleet management software in your office. You can respond to the event immediately or store the information for later. Generating reports from the data lets you evaluate driver behaviors and track idling costs. Armed with this information, you become a hero, eliminating wasteful driver behaviors and creating fuel-efficient, money-saving habits. It's that simple. For more information on driver behavior monitoring technology, head over to assetworks.com/FSS/driver behavior.